So we're gonna put on the coilovers today.
¿Para que le choque? ¿Chupe o qué?
The coilovers on today. You know, I've been having these for a while now. I haven't put them on, but you know, I said I was gonna put these on the last video. Alright, so my uncle's taking off the wheel. I'm just gonna get this started, boy.
Alright guys, what we're gonna do right now.
Pendejo, no sabes ni cómo te están mirando. Ahora ábrelo así, pendejo.
Pedro, I'm fucking chill.
Como si tú fueras Avareto.
Estamos aquí. Este sería un Lexus. A mí me vale madre, güey.
Que no tiene imaginación.
No tengo imaginación en inglés, güey.
Ándale, güey, a ver.
Alright, in English, okay, people.
Bien.
For all the folks who don't know shit. This Lexus 2004 is300. Can I see the shot?
Coilovers, boy.
Like that one over there, you see those things? This. I'm gonna change it. We can see my homie over here doing nothing. As you could tell, my friend over here couldn't do it, so we gotta put a pro over there. If you're gonna order for the cars, liquids. Make sure you have your liquids. Alright.
I am, bro. What? What'd you say, uncle? Say what's up. Say what's up, dude. Gay. Alright, so right now we're taking off this side of the upper control arm, and then from there we're gonna take off the 2 bolts from down there. So right now we're doing that. So now we undid that. Now we're gonna take it off. Now what we gotta take off are these 2. The ones that I had told you about, those 2, and then the one behind this. All that will come out, and that'll be it. Alright, so my uncle's gonna take off the bolts from the bottom right now, and then it should come out like that. So take this off. But yeah, everything's working out good. So what we took out was the upper control arm, and then I undid this little piece that came on the bottom that holds on that holds this on, and then I already took it off. What my uncle did, and then now we're just gonna drop the car and then take off the 3 bolts from the top, and it'll be good. Then we'll put on the coilovers. Just like that, boy. He's oh. And then we're gonna screw the bolts, and then from the bolts we're gonna take off the whole thing from the bottom. So, yeah. That's how easy it came. Yeah. Dang, these were bad. See, these were bad. Alright, so now we're gonna tighten up all the bolts, and then we're gonna tighten the bottom. But yeah, and then I'll show you how it's done. We already put this on, and then we already tightened up the ones on top. So now we're just gonna put this upper arm back to here, and then we'll do that to the same. We'll do that to the other side too, and it'll be the same thing. So. We're gonna take out the bolts from here on these three, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then from there I'm gonna put on the other ones, and we're gonna screw them in there.
We just got done installing the new coilovers, and now we're drilling in the three bolts right here. We're drilling in from the inside, in the back of the trunk. We did this side and the other side. Now we just gotta screw a little stuff in, and we'll be all done. And put the tires back on, and we'll be done with the coilovers installed.
Finished it. Now we're putting on the wheels.
Fine.
Alright guys, we made it back home. Well, the coilovers are installed, and this is the right height that I have my car. It's not so low, it's not so high. Alright guys, well we made it back home. As I showed y'all the height of the car, how I have the coilovers on. And yeah, I showed y'all how to install them, well how we install them. And I'll see y'all next video. Peace.